The letters CH make the ch sound. Ch. When you make the ch sound, your teeth are together. And the tip of your tongue touches the top of your mouth. Stop the air with your tongue. Then release the air. It's like an explosion, a small explosion of air. Ch, ch. Chocolate, cheese, chicken. Ooh, now I'm hungry. Here's a fun tongue twister to help you practice the ch sound. Repeat after me. Cheerful, chimps, chow down, on chunks of cheddar cheese. I'm going to say it again, but a little faster this time. Cheerful, chimps, chow down on chunks of cheddar cheese. Okay, I'm going to say it one more time, and this time I'm going to say it really fast. Cheerful chimps chow down on chunks of cheddar cheese. Can you say it 3 times fast? Cheerful chimps chow down on chunks of cheddar cheese. How about you? Do you like cheese? What's your favorite kind of cheese? I'm from Wisconsin, and in Wisconsin, we're famous for our cheese. I love mozzarella cheese. Here are some useful idiomatic expressions that will help you practice the ch sound. Chicken out. When you chicken out, you're too afraid to do something. Look, this guy's gonna jump. He's gonna jump off that cliff into the water. Whew, that's really far. Ooh, he chickened out. He couldn't do it. He couldn't jump. Chew out. When you chew someone out, it means you get really angry at someone and you scold them. You criticize them. Parents often chew out their children. Bosses oftentimes chew out their employees. Change of heart. When you have a change of heart, you have a change of opinion or a change of feeling. This woman right here, she is not happy. Her husband got a new cat. She doesn't like cats. She's not happy. But let's see how they're getting along 2 months later. Oh, look, she had a change of heart. She loves the cat now. He's really cute. Sometimes the CH can make a sh sound. Shh. That's the sound we make when we want someone to be quiet. Shh. Chef, champagne, machine. Sometimes the CH can make a k sound. K. When you make the k sound, the back of your tongue touches the top of your mouth. Stop the air with the back of your tongue. Then release the air. It's like a small explosion of air. Christmas, my favorite holiday. School, chemistry. Now, there's one word where the CH is actually silent. It doesn't make a sound. It's silent. One word. Yacht. Yacht. Maybe if I get lots and lots of subscribers, I can make enough money to buy a yacht. Like and subscribe.